Hello, everybody. Today we're going to convert the equation x plus 4 parentheses squared plus y minus 5 in parentheses squared equals 25 to the general form of the equation of a circle. And the general form is right here. It says x squared plus y squared plus ax plus by plus c equals 0. All right. So for the general form, notice that we have no parentheses, and so we have to get rid of the parentheses. So getting rid of the parentheses, we have to square the x plus 4 out. So x plus 4 parentheses squared is x plus 4 in parentheses times x plus 4 in parentheses plus, and then we have a y minus 5 parentheses squared. That's going to give us y minus 5 in parentheses times y minus 5 in parentheses. And that's equal to 25. Okay, now we'll multiply the x plus 4 by the x plus 4. So if we do that, that'll be we have an x times this x. That'll give us x squared plus, and then we'll do this. So we did x times this x just now. Now we'll do x times this 4. That'll give us a 4x. And then plus, now we'll do this 4 times this x. That'll give us another 4x. Plus, and now we have this 4 times this 4. 4 times 4 is 16. And we'll do the same thing over here for the y minus 5 times the y minus 5. So we get this y times this y. That'll give us y squared minus, and now we got this y times this negative 5. That'll give us a negative 5y minus, and then we have another negative 5 times another y. So that's another negative 5y. And now we have finally a negative 5 times a negative 5, which is a positive 25. And that's equal to 25. All right. Okay, now we're going to try to put some like terms together. So x squared plus y squared. And also we want to try to adhere to the general form. So the general form starts off as x squared plus y squared. And so we'll put the x squared plus y squared together. And next, we have an ax term. So let's deal with the x's now. We have a 4x plus 4x, which is 8x. And next we have by. So we're going to have a negative 5y minus a 5y. That's going to be a negative 10y. And then we have a plus c. So that's just plus a constant or a number. So let's see, 16. We have a 16 over here plus a 25. That will give us 41. And that's equal to 25. All right, let's see what else we have to have for the general form. If you notice here, we have to have 0 on the right-hand side. So to get 0 on the right-hand side, we're going to subtract, so we have to get rid of the 25 and turn it into a 0. And so what we're going to do is we're going to subtract the 25 from both sides. And by doing so, we get x squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 10y. And that will give us plus 16. What we had earlier. And that's equal to 0. All right, so x squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 10y plus 16 equals 0 should be the general form. And let's match to make sure. Yeah, that's pretty cool, right? Now, of course, we have a plus by, but we don't have a plus by here. but the minus 10 is like a plus -10. So essentially, it's in general form, more or less. Now, to make sure we have the right answer, let's graph this equation. X squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 10y plus 16 equals 0. All right, now I've already graphed the original problem, x plus 4 parentheses squared plus y minus 5 parentheses squared equals 25. But let's go ahead and graph the general form. It should be the same circle. So we'll know if it's the same circle by graphing it. So let's see. X squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 10y plus 16 equals 0. All right, now did you see what happened? All right, so let's turn each of these off. Let's turn the original one off. To the original one off, we have the green circle, which is the x squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 10y plus 16 equals 0. All right, now let's turn the green off, and it changes to a red, which is the original one. X plus 4 parentheses squared plus y minus 5 parentheses squared equals 25. And so it looks like we have the same circle, which means our answer checks out. Okay, so both equations are in fact the same circle, and that's what we would like. And that's how to rewrite an equation or convert an equation to general form.